morning, student. Today is the topic for class 9, chapter 2nd, polynomial. Students, what is polynomial? First of all, you know that what is polynomial? Polynomial. A polynomial, an algebraic expression of the form a n x raised to power n plus a n minus 1 x raised to power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x raised to power n minus 2 plus dash 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 a2 x raised to power 2 plus a1 x raised to power 1 plus a naught x raised to power 0 is called an polynomial. Student, you know that the earlier classes, class 8, where a1, an minus 1, an minus 2, a2, a1, a naught are the real numbers. And n जो पावर के रूप में आपको यहाँ शो की गई है, n is a non-negative integer. It's called an polynomial. Students, the form of polynomial, for example, x cube minus x square plus 3 and same here 3x cube plus 4x square plus 6x minus 5 etc. is called an polynomial. स्टूडेंट, पॉलिनोमियल्स के साथ साथ आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल का मीनिंग क्या है कि जो हमारे पास पॉलिनोमियल है उसकी हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है, लेकिन वो पावर वेरिएबल की होनी चाहिए. The degree of polynomial is the highest power या exponents of the variable is called the degree of polynomial. Just for an example, the example is the polynomial 5x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3. Students, x is a variable, okay, and the power x 4, power x 3, power x 2, तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर x वेरिएबल्स की पावर 4, 3 और 2 है, और 4, 3 और 2 में हाईएस्ट पावर आपको क्या शो हो रही है स्टूडेंट? 4. So the degree of polynomial is 4. Okay, the highest power of variable. Next one, the types of polynomial. It's an important point, student. The types of polynomial. First is monomial. You know that, student, monomial. A monomial is a polynomial having only one term. एक ऐसा polynomial जिसमें हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही term show होती है. For example, student, 3x square is only one term. हमारे पास यहाँ पर इसके साथ में कोई भी प्लस और माइनस का साइन यूज नहीं है, जिसके साथ कोई दूसरी टर्म हो. 9 minus 7y 5x raised to power 3 upon 7 etc. is called a monomial, only single term. Second one is in binomial, a polynomial having two non-zero unlike terms. It's called the binomial. Binomials में हमारे पास students जो polynomial शो होगा उसकी two terms हमारे पास होंगी. For example, 2x plus 7, 2x एक टर्म है, 7 दूसरी टर्म है, and ax square plus b etc. is an example of binomial. Third one, trinomial. Trinomial नाम से ही हमें ज्ञात होता है बेटा कि trinomials में थ्री के लिए जिसमें हमारे पास एक ऐसा polynomial जिसमें हमारे पास 3 non-zero terms होंगी, it's called a polynomial containing 3 non-zero unlike terms. It's called a trinomial. For example, students, 4x cube minus 7x plus 9 is called a trinomial. 4x cube minus 7x and a 9. It's in 3 terms. It's called a trinomial. Next one, students. What is the constant polynomial? It's very important point of the constant polynomial. Constant polynomial, a polynomial of the degree 0. एक ऐसा polynomial जिसमें हमारे पास उसके constants की value, constants के साथ variable की value 0 शो होगी, जिसमें सिर्फ एक constant value हमारे पास शो होगी, वही हमारा क्या होगा? constant polynomial. जैसे आपने देखा ऊपर जो हमारे पास ट्राइनोमियल है तो उसमें एग्जांपल में तो ये 9 जो एक वैल्यू है ये कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल को शो करती है. Next one, student, what is the zeros of polynomial? So zero of polynomial, the constant polynomial 0. It's called the zero polynomial. It's called the जीरो पोलिनोमियल, यानी कि हमारे पास एक पोलिनोमियल में कांस्टेंट वैल्यू की जगह पे जीरो शो होगा। वैसे जीरो को हम शो नहीं करते हैं, तो वो जो वैल्यू है वो हमारी क्या कहलाएगी, जीरो पोलिनोमियल। जीरो पोलिनोमियल में स्टूडेंट कोई भी जो पोलिनोमियल होगा उसकी डिग्री हम डिफाइन नहीं करेंगे। सो डिग्री ऑफ पोलिनोमियल इज नॉट डिफाइंड। Next one, the sixth point, linear polynomial. A linear polynomial of the degree 1. It's called the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial में हमारे पास polynomial में variable की highest power 1 होती है। For example, 2x plus 3, 3y minus 4. यहाँ पर x जो पावर है वो 1 को शो करती है, y की जो पावर है वो 1 को शो करती है, etc. The general form of linear polynomial, students, is ax plus b and a not equal to 0, where a and b is a real number, any coefficients, and x is a variable, student. Next one, the quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. The general form, ax square plus bx plus c. यहाँ पर जो वेरिएबल है x, उसकी जो पावर है स्टूडेंट, द हाईएस्ट पावर, द हाईएस्ट डिग्री, इट्स 2 is called an quadratic polynomial. For example, 3x square plus 4x minus 7. The highest power of variable is 2. It's called an quadratic polynomial. Third one, next one, the 8th point, cubic polynomial. नाम से ही है स्टूडेंट्स क्यूबिक। क्यूबिक किसके लिए होता है, जिसमें पावर 3 होती है। A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. The general form, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. The highest power variable is 3. It's called a cubic polynomial. The example of cubic polynomial, 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7. The highest power of variable is 3. It's called a cubic polynomial. Student, general form में जो a है वो not equal to 0 show होगा, where a, b, c and d it's a real number and x is a variable. And the last point of the polynomial is biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. The highest power of variable is 4. It's called a biquadratic polynomial. The example is 3x is to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus x upon 3 minus 7. The highest power of variable, x is in variable, and the highest power with the degree of polynomial is equal to 4. So it's an the biquadratic polynomial. And the same here, the next example, x is to the power 4 plus x square upon 4 minus 2x plus 4, etc. The highest power of variable is 4. It's called a biquadratic polynomial. Okay? Thank you.